In this video, we're diving into the top 5 electric spin scrubbers for 2025. From tough stains to everyday cleaning, these scrubbers are designed to make your life easier. Stick around as we explore the best options for keeping your home spotless with minimal effort. So, let's get started. Number 5. 3-in-1 Multifunctional Scrubber. This versatile cleaning tool is perfect for various areas of your home, including the kitchen, bedroom, toilet, and living room. Its multifunctional capabilities make it a must-have gadget for every household. What makes this electric cleaning brush stand out is its USB rechargeable feature. This means you can charge it conveniently anywhere. No more worrying about battery life while you tackle those cleaning tasks. Its compact design allows for easy storage and portability. The ergonomic handle ensures comfort while you clean, making the entire experience less tiring. Crafted from high-quality materials, this cleaning brush is built to last. It is a reliable household appliance designed to withstand regular use, so you can count on it time and time again. One of the best features of this cleaning brush is its user-friendly design. With a simple one-click operation, you can easily start the cleaning process. The powerful 360-degree rotation and high-density cleaning brush effectively remove dirt from various surfaces. Equipped with 3 different brush heads, this 3-in-1 multifunctional cleaning brush can tackle all kinds of stains and dirt, making it incredibly versatile. Whether you need to clean a bathtub, table, wash basin, kitchen sink, toilet, or window glass, this scrubber has got you covered. It is designed for multiple applications, ensuring you can keep every corner of your home spotless. Number 4. Electric Spin Scrubber. This powerful and efficient electric rotating brush features a built-in motor designed for tackling tough stains. With this device, you can say goodbye to traditional cleaning tools and enjoy effortless household cleaning. A gentle sweep can make your home look brand new, saving you half the cleaning time. The lightweight bathroom brush head ensures a comfortable cleaning experience. For even easier stain removal, simply spray your preferred cleaning solution before using the electric brush. One of the standout features of the electric spin scrubber is its rich assortment of accessories. It comes with 5 interchangeable cleaning brush heads, making it suitable for various cleaning scenarios. The flat brush is perfect for floors, walls, countertops, and bathtubs. The corner brush effectively tackles grout, faucets, corners, and edges. The scouring pad is ideal for removing kitchen grease from stovetops and cookware, while the sponge is designed for cleaning glass. Plus, these heads can also polish and wax furniture. Installing and removing them is a breeze, simplifying your cleaning tasks. This cleaning brush is equipped with a high-capacity 2,500 mAh battery and features a Type-C charging port. This ensures strong and long-lasting battery life. After a full charge, you can enjoy up to 120 minutes of continuous cleaning time. To enhance your user experience, make sure to fully charge the battery upon receiving the product. Low battery levels can affect performance and output power. Once fully charged, you will enjoy powerful and long-lasting performance, making your cleaning tasks easier and more efficient. Number 3. Multifunctional Electric Cleaning Brush. This multifunctional electric cleaning brush is designed to tackle a variety of surfaces, including dishes, pots, and pans. It is a versatile addition to your cleaning arsenal that makes everyday cleaning tasks much easier. One of the standout features of this brush is its wireless and handheld design. With no wires to worry about, you can easily maneuver the brush to reach hard to access areas without any hassle. Equipped with a powerful motor, this power scrubber ensures that even the toughest stains are removed with ease, leaving your surfaces spotless. This electric cleaning brush is not only more efficient than traditional cleaning methods, but is also more environmentally friendly. It is a great choice for those who care about the planet and want to reduce their carbon footprint. The multifunctional electric cleaning brush is perfect for a variety of tasks. Its electric capability means that one machine can handle multiple cleaning jobs, saving you time and effort. This cleaning brush is designed with an entire body that is waterproof. Say goodbye to laborious hand scrubbing. Now you can clean and care for your hands with just one click. Number 2. 4-in-1 electric cleaning brush. This 4-in-1 electric cleaning brush is designed to clean 4 different surfaces, making it a must-have addition to your cleaning arsenal. Whether you are tackling tough grime in the kitchen or bathroom, this brush has you covered. One of the great features of this electric cleaning brush is its USB charging capability. You can easily charge the brush without the hassle of searching for a power outlet, providing you with convenience and flexibility. The automatic handheld design makes this brush incredibly easy to use. You do not have to lift heavy objects while cleaning, allowing you to focus on getting the job done efficiently. This cleaning brush is perfect for both kitchen and bathroom use. It is essential for any household looking to maintain a clean and hygienic environment. Equipped with a high-quality and powerful scrubber brush, this device efficiently removes dust, dirt, charred traces, and more. It saves you time and energy, so you can spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your space. With just a push of one button, you can activate the automatic brush. Simply hold the brush body and watch as your surfaces become clean effortlessly. The human-centered design includes 4 interchangeable brush heads that effectively clean dirty corners and are suitable for various surfaces. Whether you need to scrub a bathtub, kitchen sink, or window glass, there is a brush head for every task. Number 1. Xiaomi Electric Cleaning Brush. This wireless electric cleaning brush is designed to simplify your housework, especially in the kitchen and bathroom. Equipped with a built-in 1,200 mAh rechargeable battery, this electric spin scrubber features professional IPX7 waterproof technology, ensuring safe and effective cleaning. Its powerful motor provides high-torque cleaning capabilities, allowing it to work continuously for up to 120 minutes on a quick charge. The upgraded electric spin scrubber is designed with built-in leakage protection technology, maintaining consistent performance for 60 to 120 minutes when fully charged. With operating speeds of 350 revolutions per minute and 450 revolutions per minute, this handheld scrubber is a great assistant for all your cleaning tasks. The Magic Brush Shower Scrubber includes 3 replaceable brush heads that are easy to remove and replace. The dome brush is perfect for cleaning bathtubs or sinks, while the flat brush is ideal for floors, tiles, ovens, and stoves. The cloth brush is designed for flat surface cleaning and drying, making it suitable for kitchens, living rooms, bathrooms, furniture, and even vehicles. With its waterproof body, you can clean without any worries. The long battery life and 1,200 mAh capacity ensure you have plenty of power for your cleaning tasks. Plus, it features Type-C quick charging for added convenience. There you have it, the 5 best electric spin scrubbers for 2025. Which one are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell for more reviews. See you in the next video.